This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the site Update Sophisticated Extremely Info program.info. So some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups. And these pop-ups try to trick you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. Now, if you see these pop-ups, don't trust them and don't tolerate them. These pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive, so don't download what they promote. Instead, I recommend you to additionally research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.